sun lights up the sea. The Beeny's heading out with me, diesel humming through the dawn. Another day, another storm. Hands on ropes, the Creels go down, working waters all around. Salt and spray upon our skin, every haul is where we win. The North Sea never gets for free, you got to earn what's meant to be. We're hauling Creels off Eyemouth shore, working hard like those before. With every rope and every tide, the Beeny carries Scottish pride. Through the wind and through the rain, we'll do it all again. From first light until the setting sun, this is where our hearts belong. Gulls are calling overhead, coffee strong and little said. Every buoy tells a story, every catch brings home the glory. The sea can change within a breath, you learn to show it true respect. But together we'll always stand, brothers of the sea and land. No easy road, no easy way, just honest work from day to day. The harbor lights are shining bright, guiding every boat tonight. We're hauling Creels off Eyemouth shore, working hard like those before. The Beeny rides the rolling swell, every wave has a tale to tell. With salt-stained hands and hearts so strong, this sea's where we belong. As the harbor comes into view, we're coming home with the morning's dew. The Beeny sails, the Beeny's strong, Eyemouth spirit carries on.